this video we're going to show you how to join a group on Skills Builder Benchmark. This group will be managed by a mentor, teacher, or professional development coach who has admin rights on this platform. They will need to give you a group code before you begin this process. Once you are logged in, click your name in the top right corner. Then, in the drop-down, click Manage My Groups. You should now see a pop-up screen, like this. Enter the code you've been given, in this box. To avoid mistakes, we recommend using copy and paste when possible. Make sure there aren't any spaces before or after the code. Now click Add Group. This will make another pop-up appear on the screen. Click Join Group to confirm. A green banner will appear in the top right corner for a few seconds to show this was successful. You can now see a group name and group owner displaying on your screen. They should match what you were expecting. And that's it. You are free to benchmark your essential skills, or redo a survey if you have already self-assessed one previously. Your teacher, mentor, or coach will now be able to see all your reflections, even past ones. Thanks for watching how to join a group on Skills Builder Benchmark.